want to create a company, I'm going to click the create company button, and you can see I'm going to create the company. So the company name I'm going to put that Mobin Co Pvt, and the mailing name also same, and state I'm going to choose the Tamil Nadu. So the Tamil Nadu is my state, and India the country, and pin code, telephone number, mobile number. If you have, you can enter. I'm not going to be enter anything else. If you have, you can enter, right? So the currency is the financial year beginning from 1st April 2020, and I'm going to be choose the same date, and the same, everything is same. Base currency symbol Indian rupees. So then I'm going to be the company, the message windows will come, that is the company created successfully. It's saying that company created successfully. Enable the features as per your business need. You can enable the features whatever you want. You can click if you want to get the more features, and I'm going to click, and I'm going to be choose yes. If I choose yes, you can see all the features for the companies. If you want to enable the payroll, you can payroll enable here. If you want to be enable the product service tax, you can see here. So everything is possible, and everything is you can enable for the company features. So I'm going to be save this setting. So Ctrl plus A, the setting will be saved, and you can see right now Mobin Co Private Limited companies interface for into Tallyprime. So you can see the current period 1st April 2020 to 31st March 2021. Then name of the company Mobin Co Private Limited. There is no vouchers entry, right? If you want to be edit the company, you can click here company, and you can choose the second option is alter, right? I'm going to click the alter, and it will come to the creating section. It's coming. So I'm going to be change the company's name. For example, I'm going to change the company's name Ahmed, right? Not Mobin, Ahmed Co Private Limited. So I'm going to choose Ahmed Co Private Limited. So I'm going to be served this one. Ctrl plus A, the setting will be saved. So now you can see the name of the company is Ahmed Co Private Limited. Likewise, you can edit the company's name, and whatever you want, you can edit.